A lot of forecasting for the stock market, for Mad Money, Jim Cramer, StockCharts.com, a lot of the stuff that I do for some other advisors. And to me, it's like the markets, stocks are driven by cycles. There are cycle lows in individual stocks. I want to look for those. And then I want to make certain it's a fundamentally sound company. So if you have, say, Apple and it's at a cycle low, well, it's a great company. You're at a cycle low, you want to go long. It's really simple. So all the fancy stuff out there, I go, well, I don't care. You guys, it's just froth on a bottle of soda. The bubble's coming up. I want to look at the condition, what's in that beverage.
So you brought up cycles now into the game. So, I mean, that's why we are here in meeting also. But how do you combine on those three perspectives? So fundamentals, technicals, cycles. So what do you look first and last?
First, I want fundamentals there because the fundamentals will drive markets, okay? Mm-hmm. I want a company that doesn't have a lot of debt. I want a company that's increasing its earnings. I want a company that maybe I even know I like the product for whatever reason. Like, this is a fundamentally sound company. Then it doesn't mean it's going to rally now. It might not, or it might. You don't know. Then I want to bring in technical analysis. What does technical analysis do? In my opinion, it only says this is the current condition. It's overbought. We're in a trend. It says where we are now. That's all technical analysis does. Because we're overbought, we should do this, but we may not do it. Cycles say, oh, now we're going to rally in an oversold condition or whatever the condition is. So fundamentals, truth of the marketplace. Technicals, where we are now. Cycles, now we're going to get a movement in the marketplace. That's how I try to combine it. Again, I don't win on every trade.
So in 1987, you turned 10,000 into over $1 million within 12 months?
No, that's wrong, actually.
That was wrong?
Yes. I turned the $10,000 into $2.2 million.
So no, you need to remember.
And then but hold on. Then we had the crash of 1987. I was on a safari in Africa. We're doing mechanical trading. The 2.2 million dropped down to 700,000. And I came back in October and traded the 700,000 back to 1.1 million. So that's the year my wife said, well, you lost $1 million. Because we were at 2.2 and you had at 1.1. What's wrong with you? Loser? What a loser I was.